Hi everyone, so today's Leetcode question called pass sum 2. So this question is very similar to pass sum, but the only difference that we want all the paths instead of returning true and false. Now let's check example here. Well, in this example, we also have target sum at previous question 22. So instead of returning true, we want to find all the paths, right? So one path is 5, 4, 11, 2, and the other path is 5, 8, 4, 5. So there are actually 4 paths, and we append it to the result and return the result. Now let's check how to solve this problem. So this question has a similar strategy to the previous question. So we want to keep deducting the target sum all the way from root to leaf. If we have reached leaf and found, okay, this is 0, we want to return this entire path into our result array as an element. Okay, now let me use join here to help you understand. So this question, we need a stack to record all elements in this path. So the stack will initialize and an empty array. Let me write the stack here. You see, at the previous question, also need a target sum. So let me use different color here for the target sum. Let's say it's TS or target sum. The target sum initialize is 22. First, we traverse this root, so the 5, and the remaining for target sum is 22 minus 5. So 17. Here we need to append this result to stack using this array. So we have to append 5 to here. Now change the target sum as a renewed one 17. So now this one is 17. Let me write here. And now we'll traverse further down. Let's say traverse to the left child, and left child is 4. So add it to the stack first. And now change the target sum. So it will be 17 minus 4. So it will be 13, right? And so change this one to 13. Okay. And now we want to traverse further left. So we have this 11 here. So we add this 11 to this stack and change target sum to 13 minus 11 because remaining is now 13 minus 11 equals 2. Okay. So here will be 2. And finally, we'll check, okay, if we traverse left, it will be 7 and not 2, not what we want. Traverse right, we have exactly this 2. Added 2 here. The target sum will now be 0. Good. So this is the path what we want. And we have to append this stack to a result, right? So let me write the result here is a different color. Our result has now the first element, which is the stack. Okay. So let's close out this bracket. Okay, now finish the first element result. We have to traverse the right child for this one, right? So the stack will be now sent to empty. And the target sum will also be set back to 22. So target sum is now 22. So maybe use different color here, 22. And we want to go here from this file is right child. So go to here. Okay, this is 8, right? So now with a stack, which will include this element. 1 is 5 and 1 is 8. You see it's 5. First step, we have to deduct this 5. The second step, we have to deduct this 8, right? And now we traverse further down. We have this 4. And we add 4 to the stack and we deduct it by 4 and traverse all the way. Okay, this 5. We add 5 to here and deduct this 5. And now we found, okay, this target sum is now 0 and the 5 is leaf. So it's very good. And we have to append this stack to a result as the second element, right? A result will have second element. And we just return this result and it will be done. Okay, now finish the drawing part. I think you have again some iterations. Now let's think about how to write code. Well, for this kind of problem, let me write the general framework first and then the coding. First, we need a result array as previous question. It will be an empty array. Then the stack will also be an empty array. Now, second thing, it's called helper function. We are later. We pass in the root. We need the target sound, right? And we also need the stack and the result. And finally return the result. Now let's think about how to write helper function. Helper function, first, let's pass into these variables, which we need later code. So first thing that if there's no roots, so if no roots, we immediately return null. And the other thing, if I found the leave node, and if the leave node had the target uh, match the target sound, right, then we have to append the stack to our result. And after that, we check the left subtree, right subtree recursively. It should be done. First, if there's no root, we should return null. And okay, we found is the leave node. So you know the leave node has no right child and no left child, so no root below left, no root over right. And okay, the root of L is exactly target side. In that case, first we have to add the leave node to stack, right? Before adding the stack to result. So stack equals added elements equals the root of L. And then we append the stack to result array. And we check the left subtree and the right subtree. So this part will be almost the same as previous question. Okay, that's passing the elements. So back, you see every time we traverse node in the past, we have to add the root value in the stack. So the stack will be updated in this form. Result array should be same. Now let's copy paste the code here and change it to the right, and I think it should be done. Now let's submit the code to see it works. Oh, sorry. Is there a typo here? Oh, there's a typo. Okay, you see the question passed, and the time compressing memory usage is not bad, and overall, I think it's very easy to understand. Okay, you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.